Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some easy DIY Poundland hacks. So these are some items that I have picked up from Poundland that I have used in ways that aren't maybe the obvious way that they would be used. They aren't what they were probably intended for, but I have used them in different ways and I have found them really useful. So I wanted to share them with you guys. If you like this kind of video, make sure you subscribe and stick around for more, and let's get straight in and I will show you some of my easy DIY Poundland hacks. So the first hack I want to show you today is using this Disney canvas bag that Poundland sells. They do them in loads of different designs. I've gone for the Ariel Little Mermaid one, and the first thing you're going to want to do is take some scissors and cut off the handles. So once they're off, you're going to take a cushion insert. This is one that I had already from another cushion, and I just took it out of the old cushion, ready to put in this one, and you're going to pop it inside. Now for this DIY, you're going to need a glue gun. I picked mine up very cheaply in Hobbycraft and I have used it so many times, and I'm actually going to use it for a couple of hacks in this video, so it's definitely money well spent getting one of those. So what you're going to do is take the open ends of your bag and just tuck them under like so, like you're doing a hem, and then you're going to take your glue gun and you're just going to glue along the open edge. Once you've done that, you're going to want to press it together firmly for a couple of seconds till it's properly sealed together, and there you have your Disney Princess cushion. So this next hack is for one of my food storage cupboards, and I've just taken this set of table place cards. They came in the wedding section in Poundland, and the first thing that I have done is just pulled off the stick from the back. It came off really easily, it's just glued on very lightly. Then you're going to take your glue gun and glue along the back, and then I'm just sticking it on to the containers inside my cupboard, and then from there you can just label them with whatever you have stored in each basket, and it's a great way to organise your food storage cupboard. So this next hack is using 2 cake tins from Poundland. They are £1 each, and I'm just using some old marbles that we had in the house that we don't use anymore, and I'm going to pour them inside of one of the cake tins. The cake tins are both the same size, and I'm just going to take the second cake tin and pop it on top of the marbles, and you will see that it makes a really effective but very cheap Lazy Susan. These can be really expensive to buy, and this is a really cheap way of making one yourself, and it is just perfect for inside of my food storage cupboard. So this next hack is using a carrier bag storage container. I actually have one very similar from IKEA that I used in a previous hacks video that I will link above, and I am going to be using this to store all my cleaning rags. So I have my microfiber cloths, I've got a microfiber glove for dusting, and I've also got the cloths that go in the bottom of my spray mop, and I'm going to be keeping them all inside this container inside my cleaning cupboard, and it keeps them all together, but it also means that they're kept close at hand to my cleaning products. So this next hack is using a spray bottle. It came in the hair and beauty section of Poundland, and it has pictures of hairdressing scissors and a comb on them. It's used for like spraying down hair before you cut it or style it, but we're actually going to be using it for cleaning. So I popped in a little bit of Flora Mrs. Hinch style and some water to dilute it, and then I'm going to be using it for doing my cleaning, and it's perfect for using in all different areas of your home. I'm using it here on my glass doors, and because it's in a fun spray bottle, Elle likes to help too. For this next hack, I've picked up this money bank. It's from the wedding section in Poundland. As you can see, it says wedding fund on it, but I noticed that the writing on it comes off really easily just by scratching it. So here I've taken one of my vegetable peelers. It was just a little bit safer than using a knife, and all I've done is scratched away at the letters to remove them, and then once I've finished, I've just given it a wipe with a cloth, and as you can see, it's come off beautifully and left it really nice and clean. And then I am taking some metallic Sharpies just to tie in with the silver hearts that are already on it, and I'm just decorating it with some writing. So I've written on it Caitlin's stash, and she's going to use it for keeping all her birthday money in. This last hack is using the roll of cellophane that I got in my last Poundland haul. What I'm going to do is show you how to wrap a present to make it look a little bit more special than an average wrapped present with wrapping paper. So what you're going to want to do is cut a big slice of cellophane, take some tissue paper and wrap your gift up in tissue paper. and then pull the cellophane up around the tissue paper, and the tissue paper just kind of hides the item because obviously the cellophane's see-through. And then you're going to take some gift ribbon and tie it around, and then I like to use my scissors just to twirl the ribbon to make it curly, and I think that looks really pretty and so much more decorative than a normal parcel, but really cheap because that whole roll of 5 meters of cellophane was only £1. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.